I'd now like to present to you the 1.2 upper face, which is colour-coded with the colour yellow. The 1.2 refers to the size of the diameter of the thread of the screw. To take the lid off, you pull the button out at the side, the lid pops up and it slides out. And there you can see the different plates and the different screws within the kit. We have the blue malleable plates, which are 0.5 millimetres in profile. The gold standard plates, which are 0.6 millimetres in profile. We then do a variety of different screws. We have the gold self-tapping screws, which are 3 to 8 millimetres in length, and we have the silver self-drilling screws, which are available in 3 and 4 millimetres. The pink emergency screws are 1.4 millimetres in diameter, and they're available in 3 to 9 millimetres. If we take the insert out, there is space underneath the initial plate holding tray for different plates, such as the standard orbital floors and the preformed orbital floors. The standard orbital floors, the gold ones, are 0.4 millimetres in profile, and the blue ones are 0.3 millimetres in profile. And the preformed plates, as you can see, this one has a profile of 0.4 millimetres. All the instruments to use with this kit are colour-coded with a yellow spot or a yellow line, which I'll go through in a moment. Moving on from this kit, to the 1.7, which is mid-face, and this is colour-coded with the colour orange. So all the instruments are colour-coded with an orange spot, or the screwdriver blades with an orange line. This has the same array of plates available. We have the blue malleable plates and the gold standard plates. If we lift the inlay out, we can see that the space underneath for some additional plates, and we have the orbital floors in here. We have the blue malleable orbital floor, which is 0.3 millimetres profile, and we also do a gold standard orbital floor, which has a profile of 0.4 millimetres. We also do a variety of preformed orbital floors, which have a profile of 0.4 millimetres, and we do these in small and large, right, left and right. To put the lid back on, you need to make sure that you slide it under the lip at the end and then clip it down. If you don't ensure it's clipped out, it's slid underneath, and you just lay it on and clip it down, when it goes to be washed, everything will fall out. So please ensure you slide the lid underneath and then clip it down. Moving on to the 1.7 kit, which is the mid-face, and this is colour-coded with the orange colour. So the instruments, the screwdriver blades, the drills will be colour-coded with either an orange spot or an orange line. The 1.7 again refers to the thread diameter of the screw. And the plates, again, we have the gold standard plates, which are 0.6 millimetres profile, and the blue malleable plates, which are 0.5 millimetres in profile. We also do locking plates in the 1.7 kit, and these have a profile of 0.8 millimetres, and these will take locking screws or non-locking screws. On the screw face, we have the gold self-tapping screws, and these are available in 3 to 8 millimetres 10 and 12. The silver self-drilling screws, which are available in 3 to 6 millimetres. And underneath, again, we have the locking screws, which are available in 4 to 6 millimetres. The emergency screws, which are again are pink, these are 1.9 millimetres and 3 to 9 millimetres in length. Again, ensuring that the lid is fitted back on properly underneath the lip and clipped down. I'm now going to show you how to pick up a screw for the 1.2 and the 1.7 kit. The 1.2 being the upper face and the 1.7 being the mid face. On this kit, we have a choice of a smaller metal handle, which some surgeons prefer because it's more delicate in their hands. It's the same insertion of the screwdriver blade. You pull the collar back, insert the driver blade and make sure that the collar pops back out. Give it a tug to make sure it's inserted correctly. Holding the screwdriver handle in the palm of your hand, you go down vertically onto the screw and you'll hear it click in, pulling the screw out, and it will be completely in line with the screwdriver blade. Again, to disengage, you just drop the screwdriver handle down and it breaks the friction fit. If you remember, it's exactly the same screwdriver blade for the 1.2, which is yellow, and the 1.7, which is orange. And again, complete pickup with the right force down. If you've got a sterile account where they don't use the modules like these and they have everything individually packed, such as this, where the screws and the plates come individually packed or in packs of 4 for the screws, every box will be colour coded. So you can see at a glance that this is for the 1.7 kit as it's got an orange sticker on it, and this is for the 1.2 kit because it's got a yellow sticker on it. It's the same for the drills as well, so you know exactly which drills to use with each kit. So it's very easy for the nurses to see very quickly. Moving on to the instrumentation. As I mentioned before, everything for the 1.2 and the 1.7 is orange or yellow colour coded. It's the same instrumentation tray for both kits, so the instruments are colour coded. So for example, the screwdriver handle will have an orange and a yellow band on it, indicating that it's indicated for the 1.2 and the 1.7 kit. The screwdriver blade will again have a colour coded on it, orange and yellow. And the instrumentation is colour coded as well. So just remember, for the 1.2 and the 1.7, it's the same instrument tray for both kits. Thank you.